Niki B English with Niki and
Jenny.
Today we will start lesson 12. Do you like fishing?
오늘 우리는 12단원 Do you like fishing?을 배울 것입니다.
Our objectives today are to learn the following expressions. Do you like fishing? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I like camping. It's fun. It's exciting. There will be 4 parts.
4가지 활동을 해볼까요?
First, vocabulary.
첫 번째, 어휘를 배워봅시다.
Second, sentences.
두 번째, 문장을 익혀봅시다.
Third, let's practice.
세 번째, 익힌 어휘와 문장을 연습해봅시다.
And fourth, let's review.
네 번째, 복습해봅시다.
Are you ready? Let's get started. First, vocabulary. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
단어입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
Camping,
캠핑,
cooking,
요리,
fishing,
낚시,
painting,
그림 그리기,
exciting,
신나는,
fun,
재미있는,
riding a bike,
자전거 타기,
writing,
글쓰기,
playing games,
게임하기,
playing basketball,
농구하기,
studying English,
영어공부하기,
watching movies.
영화보기.
Second, sentences. Listen and repeat in English and Korean.
이번에는 문장입니다. 우리말과 영어를 듣고 반복해봅시다.
Do you like fishing?
낚시 좋아하니?
Yes, I do.
네, 좋아해요.
No, I don't.
아니요, 좋아하지 않아요.
I like camping.
나는 캠핑을 좋아해요.
It's fun.
그건 재밌어요.
It's exciting.
그건 신나요.
Third, let's practice. Do you like?
Do you like?
Do you like studying English?
Do you like watching movies?
Do you like playing the piano?
Do you like reading books?
Fourth, let's review. Today we learned
오늘 우리는 이것을 배웠습니다.
the expressions. Do you like fishing? Yes, I do. No, I don't. I like camping. It's fun. It's exciting. Please review your words and sentences.
단어와 문장을 복습해 주세요.
Thank you for joining us. See you next time. Goodbye.